Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Rank 15 minimum and access to a bunker, facility, or CEO/VIP menu. Once confirmed, open the interaction menu and navigate to the executive/gear or bunker technician options. Select the mission or prep that permits night vision gear. This unlocks the slot. Make sure to reserve funds. Some setups require a purchase. Once you choose the mission allowing headgear, proceed to spawn into the activity so you can equip and test the night vision helmet immediately. Now you use mission prep or the facility terminal to actually equip night vision. From the outfit/equipment screen, pick helmets or goggles and look for the night vision option, sometimes labeled NVG or thermal. Select it. If you're in a facility workshop, craft or buy the NVG mod and attach it to your helmet. Join a private session to complete the equip step cleanly. Then spawn into the mission to verify functionality and adjust HUD brightness if needed for better contrast at night. Finish by testing the helmet in a dark environment. Toggle night vision with the weapon wheel or your keybind to confirm activation. If it fails to appear, exit to free mode, then re-equip the outfit or relog. Many invisibility issues clear on reload. Make sure you're not in a restricted session type that strips gear. If problems persist, remove conflicting attachments or visit a mod shop/terminal to repurchase the NVG module. This usually resolves stuck or invisible night vision helmets quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.